gonna stop at home first to pick up some more clothes and drop off my laundry. It feels like spring started already. I also have a fire. I think there is a fire actually. It's like back there. I think people underestimate how adaptable we are. But then I think they also overestimate how adaptable we are. That's how frogs end up in boiling pots of water, as they say. There's so much trash. If I didn't already have to carry stuff, I could carry a trash bag and clean while I'm doing this. But I'd love to figure out a way to do it that didn't mess up my gig.